Hi YouTube family, I am Mfan'uMenzi TV. My channel URL is https://www.youtube.com/@Mfan'uMenzi TV. Yesterday, I received your email notifying me that my channel will be suspended on 10 September 2025. But let me make it clear. I am confident that this channel is originally created by myself using my own voice behind my videos. But let me take you to my creativity process and show you how I edit my videos. Now, I will show you how I edit my videos. Firstly, I select my custom YouTube intro, the intro that I already make using PicArt. PicArt. Then I will click plus just to add a photo as a video layer. And I extend that layer to 2 minutes since most of my videos are around 2 minutes long. Like this. Now it's 2 minutes. Then I will go back to the beginning of the layer to record my own voice. I click record and speak until nearly the 2-minute mark. Then after recording, I add any additional photo I want to include. These are usually downloaded from sources like Chrome or Facebook, etc. Okay, I'll choose each photo, drag it into the timeline, and apply an animation effect depending on how I want it to appear as a slideshow. Like this. Then I will choose another one, drag it, apply an animation effect as well. Okay, then I will choose another one, drag it, and apply an animation effect as well. So once all editing is complete, I simply click save. Thank you very much YouTube family. That is how I edit my video. Thank you for your time.